Hello traders, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade Forex using the IRunFX trading signals. Before we continue, I'd like to recommend you using ECN accounts with low commissions to take the maximum advantage of their signals. Okay, let's start. Let's open one of those archived signals which they provided. Let's see, we are gonna try this one. You notice this is the daily trading signals they provided for, and the day is mentioned here. And you'll see that there are two major types of orders here. One type is limit order, as you see, and the other type is market order, which is kind of conditional. And you see here it says, for example, sell if the candle closes below the open rate. What candle? H1 candle. We'll see what I am referring to. For the first type of signal, which is a limit order, it's as simple as placing an order in the trading platform. I am using the MetaTrader 4. Let's see, how do I do that? So let's say we have Euro USD with this rate. I'm gonna open a new order. Let me open a new order here. This is a pending order and this is a limit order, and it was a sell limit order. The open rate is 1.1328. So 1.1328. The date that I am recording this video is a few days after this signal, so you might see a big gap between these, but that's fine. And I set the SL rate 353, and finally the TP rate. Correct. So I place the order. Oh, market is closed because, you know, it's fine. So you set the open rate, SL and TP, and you place, and you are done for the day. So you put this order, you let it trade by itself. But you need to consider this is a daily trading signal. That means these signals are valid for a specific day. For example, this signal is provided for 12th of March. So I highly recommend you set the expiry time for this order you're placing. I usually place it for around a couple of hours before the closing time. So let's say 22:05. So let's say if I set everything and then I place the order. Once I place the order, I'm done with this signal. So I let it trade by itself and I can do whatever I want during the day. However, you always know that you need to do the money management by yourself. So if you have, let's say this account has $11,000. So I need to know how much I want to risk. For example, this signal is risking 25 pips. So maybe I'm fine with this lot size and losing 25 pips with this lot size, which is fine. It's about $200 regarding my balance. I believe that's a great risk. And you see the target is more than 60 pips, which is great. So once you're done, you just place the order and that's it. Let's see, how do we use the market signals like this one, AUD USD or pound USD, US dollar? This is very important. The instruction says for market sell positions like this, open the trade only if the H1 candle closes lower than the open rate. What does it mean? It means that you need to watch the market only at the closing time of H1 time frame. Like if the time is, I don't know, the time is 4:25 p.m. or 5:25 p.m. or I don't know, 11:30 p.m. You should not open the order at that time, even if the candle touches the open rate. So you should not be greedy. Once you see the market touches the open rate, do not open the trade. You just have to open the trade if the candle closes below the open rate, like this. Let's assume the open rate is, okay, let's say 0.6170. Let's say the open rate is here and this is a sell signal. You do not open the trade because this candle touched this rate. You have to wait till this candle closes below this rate and then you open the trade. Actually, it's trying to save you time. So you don't need to sit in front of the market all the time of the day. You just need to watch the market at every hour. And at that hour, if you see the rate has been closed below or above the open rate based on the sell or buy signal, you take the position. Otherwise, you're done. You wait for the next hour. Also, this is really important. IRunFX provides an EA for you, an expert advisor for you, which does that automatically. So you don't need to even watch the market during the day. So if you get the expert advisor from IRunFX, which they provided for free for the excellent and amazing packages, so you just need to set your expert advisor on your trading platform, which they provided for MetaTrader, and then you don't need to watch the market at all after you set the orders. And that's really fantastic. I can show you how to use their expert advisor in another video, and I recommend you to watch that. And for those who don't know what expert advisor is, they are some scripts which trade based on the conditions and based on the formula provided for those scripts on behalf of you. So they trade behalf of you. This is machine trading behalf of you. So you don't need to sit in front of the market all the time. You can do your daily routine and let the market make money for you. Let's just review what we learned here. First, there are two types of trading signals, limit and market. For both, we have to consider they are daily trading signals, so you have to consider the expiry date, or if the market signal does not open or does not happen for you, just forget it and wait for the next day to get the new signals. And for market orders, it really matters. You consider the H1 candles and you have to consider the closing rate of each candle, not any time else. That's it. Very easy, very profitable. You can, let me show you some account history here, maybe custom period. Let me show you the last 3 days. And you see there are some stop loss touched or some take profits touched, which overall is really profitable. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a comment, and if you are trading and making money using their signals, leave some comment here to help other traders take advantage as well. See you next video.